Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ivan.
I'm Mike.
And we got a new build. We're super excited about it. We've never done a big build this big. It's huge, it's a semi. So unfortunately our truck can't haul it, even though it's a diesel truck, but we're gonna need some help. So we gotta call our friends, the shipping experts. They're gonna help us out. They're gonna go help us get the truck. Big special thanks out to them, and we'll leave their link in the description below. And first thing to do is go get it. And unfortunately it's far away. It's actually in Kansas. So it's a long drive. We'll go get it and check it out. Let's get to it. He definitely didn't roll it. We had a jump box and see what mine's on it. Everything else is pretty solid. It's solid. It smells really bad inside though. And airbags didn't deploy. That's crazy. Look at that. That's a lot of damage. And it smells really bad. We got the keys, so we're gonna try it. But the front wheels look good, so we're gonna hook it up from the rear. Looks like the cab mounts, that's good. So it didn't really rip the cab out. There's that one too. It's pretty solid. See the back cabs looks hooked up too, then rip it out. So we're gonna take all this paneling off, put a lot of zip ties and straps so make sure nothing falls out. But we don't want to spend all day here, so we're just gonna start hooking up. What do you guys think? A lot of damage? A little damage? Alright guys, so after playing with it for a while, looks like it's got 133,700. That's not bad at all. That's almost a brand new truck. But a lot of work. So let's get this thing strapped up. Look at that. So good. No windshield. But it's pretty sick. You got a lot of buttons, a lot of options. Look at that Volvo CD player. Wow. Automatic, the way to go. Let's go.
Today we're working on a semi-truck. Oh yeah, check it out guys. This is our new build that we're talking about, our huge project. And literally that's what it is. It's a huge project. It's a Volvo 2018 VNL 760 or something like that. Honestly, there's a lot I don't know about it. But hey, we figured out, you know, how hard could it be? It's just like any other thing, right? Yeah, sounds good. So let's check out the damage and see what we got ourselves into. All right, so let's go inside and see what's going on. I don't have the key, maybe it's locked or something. Oh yeah.
You never know, might open. You big pry bar.
It's coming, I see it moving.
Michael, just use the hazard. Get in, jump in.
All right. Wouldn't it be easier if I just go on the other side?
Why'd you go on the other side?
All right. I don't know what happened here though. I mean, that's crazy. It must have been like.
I mean, look, the suspension's fine, but what did it hit? Like a pole? I don't know.
Something.
Did it flip over or?
I don't know if it rolled because I mean, like the side panel's fine, so it looks like someone was here, ran into something, or.
Like a low bridge?
It's crazy, but this cab is destroyed for sure. I mean, I don't think there's anything salvageable there. But we'll find some good stuff. Let's go around to the other side, let's hop on inside. Dang. I mean...
This side open, Michael.
This is nice. Looks like a nice little car right here for sure. How many miles we got? 133?
Wow.
I mean, that ain't bad for a semi-truck world, right? These things go up to like 1 million or something, that's what I heard. Look at this thing, fully automatic. Man.
Wow, you're gonna be like the next truck driver.
Oh yeah. It's in our blood, you know, we all truck drive a little bit. Never done it myself, but
maybe you can drive it now.
look, there's the key. Let's try it. Let's see what happens.
Don't you gotta hit one of those buttons?
I have no idea.
Just try it. No, the yellow red button.
Oh. No idea what I'm doing, but let's try it. I started it! What the heck? No.
Wow, Michael. First start.
This thing's messed up, but it started right up. Woo-wee.
Wow.
I don't even know what I'm doing. Dang.
Let's check out this interior, Michael. Show us your crib.
All right, come on down, guys. I mean, I got a lot of plans for this thing, a lot of future things. I can't believe it started. I'm so surprised here.
So we got a little bit of roof damage.
Ugh. Things started right up. It sounds good. I got a double decker here, you know, the double decker couch. I mean, that's the thing.
So, Michael, I shot a top bunk.
Yeah, if you want it, sure.
I mean, we can pick up our new builds in this thing.
We can do whatever we want.
We can build up like 5 builds at a time.
That engine's good. Put that engine to a Cobra or something. I'm just kidding.
Look at that. You got it's a little cramped in here.
Look.
That still opens.
Yeah, it's still good. Find some goodies. Nothing. Yeah, there's a lot of things going on. I mean, we got all this space, for sure. I don't know what we're gonna do with it.
All right, let's check out the outside more.
Let's go. Let's go pick up our first load. Let's do it. What we get.
Well, look at the back wheel.
I mean, we have like 7 out of 8. That can't be bad.
I don't think it's DOT regular.
You just gotta bypass them way stations. Alright guys, so great news. We're super stoked that this thing runs. That's great. I mean, honestly, we're moving forward now. Know the engine's good. All we gotta do is replace a couple interior parts and I mean, heck, we're good to go, you know, hit the road in no time. But it is a little crinkled, you know, just crinkled. So we gotta pull it out probably, give it some more space and get them parts out, all the paneling and everything. Probably need a new cab. Nah, I don't know, maybe we'll fix this one. We'll see how
we're trying to do a little frame machine outside.
Yeah, you know, we'll just get like our little equipment that we got there and use that as our frame, outdoor frame machine. And we'll get it straightened out. Let's do it, let's see what happens. All right, guys, so with the right tool, you can get the job done. It's not so bad. Yeah, we definitely got the door open now, so we got more space in the inside, so we can work inside the cab, get all the pieces out that we need, kind of thing, because we're gonna save the wire harness, some other stuff. So there's a lot of stuff that we do need. Obviously, we don't need the cab, because that's kind of seen better days. But moving forward, you know, that's kind of fun. I enjoyed it, ripping it open. It's fun. But we definitely got some stuff that we're gonna save. We're gonna try to keep this piece. It looks fine. You know, this little piece right here. I'm sure it's expensive, so we'll try to salvage it. Should be good. But yeah, let's keep going. Like I mentioned, this piece is probably still good, but my cab's honestly pinching it, so we're gonna go ahead and just pick this guy up, unbolt that one, save it, put it aside, and keep going. All right, guys, so we got definitely progress moving forward, but we're definitely gonna need parts. I mean, honestly, it's gonna be kind of hard to find 2018 Volvo semi-truck parts out there, but maybe somebody's got some, you know? You never know. Check out Marketplace, Facebook, you know? I'm sure there's stuff out there.
Yeah, I mean, I've seen other people rebuilding semis that are having a really hard time finding parts.
Oh, look, I got one.
No way.
Locally. Yeah,
What?
down the road. Let's go. Exactly. I think it is. 2019 Volvo, yeah. Straight up a cab. That's exactly what we need. Let's go get it. All right, guys, so check it out. There it is, the cab that we need. Honestly, yeah, VNL 760, that's it. We got a crazy deal on this thing. That's great. I mean, now we can really move forward. We got everything we need. We got our cab. There's no interior, but that's fine since we have some interior anyway. There was some damage on the other side, but nothing we can't fix. Some stuff's missing in the front. There's definitely some stuff missing in the front. It's not a big deal, not worry about it. Grind that off, re-primer it. Got a different colored door, but
Let's check it out inside, Michael.
I mean, I don't know if there's a handle. I won't break it.
You can open it.
Yeah, I probably figured it out. Pull this little red thing. No, just kidding. Ah, there
You got it.
Nice. Alright. Thing's huge.
This one has way more room than the other one we're working on.
I need a mini fridge.
What?
I don't want to break it. But yeah, I mean, you put the steering wheel like right here somewhere, you know?
We should put it like in the middle.
That'd be cool. I can see everything. I think it's safer. You know, you hit the right side or left side. You get it. This is nice. Plenty of room.
Are we gonna do double bunks on it, or?
Oh yeah, definitely need double bunks. I got seat belts on top, just in case you want to strap a little brother or something.
You are the little brother.
Oh, wait a minute. Here we go, guys. This is it.
So there's a little bit of work inside. We actually have to seam seal it, and then primer it, and paint it. But unfortunately, that's gonna be next time.
Yeah, guys, that's all the time we have today. But thanks for staying tuned. You know, this is the craziest build we ever had. Definitely the biggest build we ever have.
And the first kind too. We've never done a semi truck.
Never. We're kind of new to this whole game plan, but we'll figure it out. You know, learning by doing. Watch some YouTube videos. I'm sure there's a lot of stuff out there. Figure it out. All right, stay tuned until next time.